Well, this tutorial, as you can see, is about to be a high drop fade with no corners. As you see, my client's head is down. It's not pointed up. I had to take off hair in the beginning of the video. Now I'm taking down the hairline because the hairline, as you can see, is very, non-constructed. I don't know if it's genetics or just the years. I mean, let's not talk about that. But the first guideline, second guideline, both open, no guard, and one guard. That comes very easy. It's very easy to do. Calm down every time you take some hair off. My guides are big this time because, there's a lot of room to fade since there are going to be no corners. And it's going to be a high drop fade because the complete back won't be parted. Then I'm going to go blend in the top line. First, with the 1.5 guard, close, calm down every single time. I don't know if I'm gonna take more hair off the top though, because the waves are there, and they could be there even more. So now I'm going back with this zero, close, of course. It's very easy to do. As you see, your client's head is face down. I don't know if he's sleeping or you just blank. But yeah, one guard, close. When the head is down like this, guys, I'm telling you, it's difficult to get an angle out, but because the shape of his head is actually beneficial that he keeps his head down. And you want to blend in that top line with the one guard after you then came up with the one open and closed throughout the whole way. Then you want to no guard it, zero guard, no guard. Not the zero guard, but the no guard. And then you want to knock out that bottom line that's bald, and then you want to, open and close the guard. The no guard, and, fade the beard up. Fade the beard up so it doesn't look so harsh. I really thought he was asleep right there. And then the hairline, this is the easiest part, but it could be the hardest part if you really don't know what you're doing. I don't like push back, so I take all the weak hairs that you really can't see at all. Not the ones that you can see, but the ones that you can't see, and then line up the beard. Keep the highest line possible. Y'all see how clean that looks, though, right? That's like minimal pushback. It's not terrible. You feel me? Then clean up the bottom. Keep it real simple. The razor. The razors always last for me. I gotta pick apart each part of the little micro hairs. And then take apart, go down, speed through, and you guys see the final product. But the camera was blurring in and out because I was trying to really rush and get him out of there. I had another client after him, and I didn't feel loved. So here we go, and that's the haircut. You guys want to watch more? Keep liking, subscribing, and following. I'm the best barber in the DMV. I'm not going to say the best barber in the DMV. I'm actually going to say the best barber in my own world of the DMV.